Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase colored pencil. Erasing colored pencil can be tricky because the pigments are designed to adhere strongly to paper fibers, making them more resistant than graphite. Standard pink or white erasers often just smudge the color or damage the paper. We'll explore several effective techniques and tools to help you achieve cleaner corrections, preserving your artwork's quality. Understanding your paper type is also key to successful erasure. One of your best tools is the kneaded eraser. Unlike abrasive erasers, it works by lifting pigment from the paper surface rather than rubbing it away. To use it, gently press the eraser onto the colored area and then lift it. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the pigment. As the eraser picks up color, knead and reshape it to expose a clean surface, ensuring maximum effectiveness and preventing smudges. For more stubborn marks or precise corrections, an electric eraser is incredibly effective. These tools use a small, rapidly rotating eraser tip to gently abrade and lift pigment. Hold it lightly, applying minimal pressure, and use short, controlled bursts. This prevents tearing the paper or creating unwanted indentations. Electric erasers are particularly useful for small details or when you need to remove a significant amount of color. For extremely stubborn marks on very thick paper, you might carefully try a craft knife or fine grit sandpaper, but proceed with extreme caution to avoid damage. Always test any erasure method on a scrap piece of the exact same paper first. Remember, prevention is key. Applying lighter pressure when initially laying down color makes corrections significantly easier. A light hand saves a lot of erasing effort later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.